Good morning from a very polluted Delhi. So Wonderboy back there is in desperate need of a haircut and also a body massage. So we're gonna find a barber shop to get some ASMR experience body massage. So get out your binaural headphones for this video, and yeah, we're gonna get a haircut for Wonderboy and get him a good massage. So now we're just trying to find a barber shop that we could get those things at. Wonderboy Jeremy in action. Oh, some hotties. But they're not real. Mannequins. Mannequin hotties. Hotties from Burundi, they don't move. Progressive hotties. So we're asking for directions because we can't find a barber shop. Yeah, we want like a typical Indian. She wants to say what?
What kind of a street?
No, street barber means the one with
street barber. The one on the street.
I don't want that. Oh no, that one I've done with him already. The haircut. the haircut. Not the other thing which you thought. Not the progressive terms that you were thinking.
I don't think I'm gonna need a haircut because I think I'm all set. Whoa, look at those hotties. Damn. I should come more often to Power Guns. Damn.
Try your luck for a white check.
I should. Here's a little beauty salon. Big Brother beauty salon. Hair and beauty, but I think it's only for ladies. It's super fancy. Oh, there's one. I think we found one. It's called You Like Hair Salon. Okay, so I guess we like this one, and Jeremy's now talking to the master.
Like crazy.
Machine massage. With a machine burn.
Yeah, machine like crazy massage.
That's how we tell them what we want. Trying to figure out how to say it. Oh, we're gonna show them a video, so probably learn on the job.
Like this, you do crazy massage like this.
It's not possible. Just show me.
Whoa.
What is this?
Whoa. That is some next level shit. I've never seen that. Just get the regular one, whatever he has.
Yeah.
I think.
You have a machine or
A vibrator? Is that what you're asking? that is what you're asking. You just don't want to say it.
Jeremy, see what she's saying. He's saying you're having a vibrator.
That machine is a vibrator. It's like a yeah. Wonderboy doesn't want to say it, but you know, I think the barber got it. He just left.
something like this.
Yeah.
Don't show it because it's great for them.
Secret.
Show me.
I think this was in Bahargans as well. So.
Yeah.
Yes, this one. This is a machine. Here it is. The Indian massage machine is here.
So how do I cut my hair now today? You need to cut my hair. Trim my hair a bit.
Yeah. You need a haircut and a massage.
Yes.
And the machine is here, the infamous machine. We'll see how it works. We just put it away for the safety of the people. And
Look at this.
Wonderboy is on his throne. Look at that hair. Look at all that hair.
Can you first cut my hair?
Haircut.
Who's asking for oil?
Oil. Oil and
Tell him to
vibrator.
make my hair a bit short.
Oil and vibrator.
Big short.
A little short.
भैया छोटे काटना ज़्यादा
On the
Big
back,
short.
over here, in front. What is the new Indian
toilet paper.
hairstyle they have?
I think the one he has is
Oh, make my hair look like yours, like your hair. Yeah.
yeah, like you.
You needed
He
this
wants to
much
look
of
like
short?
you.
can you tell him to switch off the fan?
Yes, sure. भैया fan off कर दो.
Problem for.
It's over there.
So here we are. We have found the guy. Here he is.
What happened to you?
The famous.
What happened to your
Yes,
neck?
I'm
Yeah,
like
he got stabbed in the neck.
in my neck.
So Wonderboy just got stabbed in the neck, so he has a
And now I'm gonna get.
just got a
haircut
makeshift doctor.
And then crazy massage. That's how you call it.
One minute.
Crazy ASMR massage.
Look at these wonderful locks.
I like it. Pinky boy.
Oh.
The two pink
Pinky
clips.
boy.
Set him for progressive Trinity to progressive.
Progressive
Pinky
pink.
boy. Progressive pink.
Yeah, he got the right color.
Tuck in heels.
So this is what a traditional Indian barbershop looks like. This is a small one. Look at all these hair colors. Whoa, they even have a fairness bleach. So if you want to revoke your brown privilege and get some white privilege, you've got Rosevella Gold Fairness Bleach. And then you can
I'm just
color your
being
hair
honest, Evan.
whatever colors you want.
Yes, yes.
And look at this, toilet paper. Wow, look at all these blades. They don't look brand new to me, so. Yeah. Who knows, maybe they're used. There you go. Chopping off those luscious locks. Wonder hair, all the wonder hair. Whoa,
Wonder hair.
all the wonder hair is gone.
You know what?
Yes.
This clothes actually looks like a babushka.
Indian babushka. Look at that.
It's all on top.
You lost 10 years. You look 10 years younger. Back to school. Back to school, Wonder Boy. Look at that. Now we just need a school uniform.
Look at that big
Right.
muff.
Oh, look at that muff on his head. Muff magnet. He's already attracting some muffs. Look at that white muff over there. Damn, she's a babushka.
Now the haircut is done. Now I'm waiting for the crazy massage. Now it's gonna like
Shaving भी करेंगे?
You want to shave?
Shaving?
here. No. Just leave it. Leave that little thing over there. Phlegm.
Look at the young Wonder Boy Jeremy. How young he looks with that
10
haircut.
years younger.
Look at
I'm
that.
12.
He just cut off 10 years off of his head. Look at all of that hair. There we go. Shaving his face. It's time for the Indian massage.
Here it begins.
Check that out.
Look at him go.
How do you feel? Tell us what you feel.
He's really good. Relax. He's going in hardcore. My brain is. You guys can see from my face, yeah, I don't even have to tell it how I feel. I feel wonderful.
You feel like Wonder Boy?
ये वीडियो YouTube पर डालते हो?
Yes.
YouTube. Subscribe.
Wonderboy Jeremy.
Wonder Boy Jeremy.
It would be cool if you have an Indian barber subscribe to my channel.
किस नाम से चैनल?
Wonder Boy Jeremy.
Wonder Boy
Wonderboy Jeremy.
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 I'm sure he's gonna subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make you famous. Yes, famous.
And the subscriber?
He's asking how many subscribers you have.
6,200 and something.
6,200.
It's hitting my head. Let me give you guys more of a nice, decent feel. Let me. Okay.
Look at that machine.
Oh.
Whoa, look at that vibrator.
Wow. Check that out.
That is the Indian massage machine.
And it stopped working.
We just pulled out. It's got a short cord, so
Oh, there it is.
look at that. It even says ASMR on it.
Really?
Yeah, I think. Well, I'll be able to see once it stops. I think it says ASMR. Look at that.
It's really vibrating my brain as well right now.
Damn, that looks good. I want to do that. I want to get that. I've never had this massage
You
before.
should. I've never ever in my entire life had this. I've only seen this in videos.
Yeah,
I don't know, maybe Bones had it, yeah.
yeah.
You know, some other guys. Now check this out. Wow, wow, wow.
Oh, the chick is back.
Yeah. Yeah, my friend Juggle is back.
The girl's back.
You bought
Yes,
some
I'm back.
chai?
You're right on time because we just started the vibrator.
Am I looking 10 years younger?
Look at him.
Baby,
She didn't even recognize you. She was like,
do you know
Who are
me?
you? I don't know you.
Well, it's good. It's time for me to find a new friend. What do you guys think? A new friend to the channel? New Indian girl? New Desi girl? Oh, look at him. Oh, he's finger in my ear.
oh, look at that.
Ah, okay. I never had a man finger my ear. Okay. That is weird, but okay. It feels I
feels
love
good.
ticklish as well. So that's what you get in India, a man fingering your ear as well.
And you pay him to do it.
In India, you can pay any money and you get the stuff done for anything.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
You can
You're
pay
like
and
Maharaja.
people will put their fingers in your
I'm
ear.
Maharaja. What do
The
you mean?
Maharaja of Jaipur getting a
Haircut.
Maharaja
vibrator
Ashwin.
machine.
Maharaja Jeremy Singh.
Maharaja Ashwin Jeremy Singh.
Yeah. Look at it, look at it. Oh. Ooh.
Get into those muscles.
There you go. It's hitting me in my head.
Typical Indian massage.
What do you think? Have you ever had this massage before?
No.
No? Do you want to try it?
No.
Desi girl, you can come and give me a
I'm
massage
happy
and
with
show me
this
how
pretty
it's
hair.
done.
How are you feeling?
It feels really good. Really good. Oh.
What do you think? Are we going to have a happy ending?
Face massage.
Face massage.
What do you think? No? No face massage.
No.
No face massage.
What do you have face?
Like, I'll make it
My face is both sundar, I think.
Yeah.
already.
He will make you sundar pari.
It made me look 10 years younger. So next time I do a face massage from him, if I do, he would make me look like a girl.
Yeah.
So I think it's done. The massage
Oh
is
my
done.
god.
Let's find out how much it is for a haircut and a vibrator massage.
No.
So,
Why not?
No.
I'll give you 10 rupees.
No, I'll give you 20 rupees. Do it again.
Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video.
Let's find out the damage. first.
Adios. Oh yeah. What's the kitna paisa?
110.
Okay, tell in English.
So I was right. I guessed it would be around 100, and it was 110. So
Okay.
I was right.
It was 100. And then you need to find a 10.
Yes.
Even I don't
Look at this young kid. Who is this guy?
I don't even recognize myself now. I feel really good.
So you're going to ironing? You have to go
Yeah,
again
we're gonna go
to
to
shop.
get some spicy food.
Yeah.
In iron market?
It's a secret
Go
location.
ahead. I hate it. I'm not going to come tomorrow. I don't know you.
So there you go. That was it. That was the haircut and the ASMR massage. And look at Wonderboy now. Brand new Wonderboy.
Just move it up. Show how.
Now it looks completely Daisy. So after that Daisy Daru and Daisy Girls, now Jeremy's Daisy. So, full effect. So that's all for this one. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which we're gonna go make right now. We're gonna get some super spicy food. Find the spiciest food we can. I wanna try it. We'll see how it goes.